What's the meaning of caliber? Caliber. Caliber.
Caliber. Caliber. Caliber has multiple meanings, but its most common definition refers to the quality or proficiency of someone or something. It can also refer to the diameter of a bullet or the internal measurement of a gun barrel. In a more abstract sense, caliber can be used to describe the level of excellence, talent, or skill possessed by an individual or organization. Essentially, it represents the overall level of quality, expertise, and capability displayed in a given context. Whether applied to a person or an object, a high caliber implies a superior level of performance, while a lower caliber suggests mediocrity or incompetence.